Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? I hope you're doing wonderful in your life. This is your bonus love messages for November 2020. If you like my message, if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything and if you want to tell me anything. And thank you so much for loving the channel, for commenting beautiful messages to me. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, as soon as possible, because it is not going to resonate with each of you. Okay, take whatever is resonating with you and leave the rest. Okay, Aquarius, so let's start. I have already done your main reading and extended reading, so you can have a look on that reading too. So let's see what are the messages for our bonus messages. I can say, what are the bonus messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world, which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages. I'm going to use this oracle so that I can tell you out what are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. World card has fallen out. You are completing a cycle. Okay, world card. Ending of a cycle, completing of a cycle is there. What are the messages? All cards have fallen out. Okay. What are the messages? Please help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Temperance. You need to keep your patience, Aquarius. Temperance is there. And the Lovers is there. You're dealing with your divine counterpart. Can you see in your main reading too? I was getting Lovers for you. Magician is there. Any other message for my Aquarius? Any other message which I need to deliver? Tower card. Something is shaking up your life. Divine intervention in your life. Tower card is there. You are manifesting your love, maybe. Okay, your divine counterpart. And the Star. This is you, Aquarius. You are getting new hopes and desires. Okay, it's the Star card. You are coming in your own reading. So you are manifesting your love, your divine counterpart in your life. And something is shaking up your life, and you're getting new hopes and desires for you. Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Please help me out if there is any other message which I need to deliver. Please help me out if there is any other message. No. Judgment at the bottom of the deck. I'm having the Judgment. Okay. So yes, Aquarius, there is a World card. You're completing a karmic cycle. Or okay, that cycle is getting completed, and you need to keep patience right now. You need to keep patience. 1 minute. Okay. You need to keep your patience, and you are manifesting your divine counterpart, okay, in your life. The Magician is there and the Lovers is there. You are manifesting your divine counterpart, and you are getting it, okay. Tower card and the Star card. This is you. Your life is being shaking up, okay. Something is, something is shaking up. When the divine intervenes in your life, something is shaking up in your life, so that you can move forward, okay. And the Star card is there. You're getting new hopes and desires in your life. That's the message for you from the oracle. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages for my Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the energy oracle card. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Let's see. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Please help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Please help me out to give the messages. What are the messages for my victory? You're getting victory, Aquarius. First message is storm warming. Again, a Tower card is there. Something is shaking up your life so that you can move forward, okay, when the divine intervenes in your situation. And you are getting victory. Chariot. You are rising as a Chariot. Victory is there. You are getting succeeded in it. Six of Wands is there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Woman holding a coin. Maybe you're getting some offer. Okay. Offer from this woman. There is a woman around you who will give you money offer. And cornucopia. This is the best card in this whole deck. Okay, cornucopia card means that abundance of everything. Okay, abundance of money, abundance of everything. This is very beautiful, good fortune coming your way. Okay, so let's see any other message. See, door to romance is open for you, Aquarius. Very beautiful. Any other message? A thinking man is there. Okay, thinking man is there. Any other message? And there is a message here. Man holding a heart. So yes, there is a person who wants to give you an offer in love. Okay, there are two person, maybe someone is thinking right now to give you. Can you see? This is two-person energy, Aquarius. One is this person, this man who is holding a crystal in the hand, who is thinking man, who is thinking to come towards you. Okay, who wants to give you some offer. And there is a person who is holding a heart to give you some love. Okay, they want to give you some love. So there are two energies around you. One is thinking how to approach you, how to approach Aquarius. And bottom of the deck, see, I was cutting my deck, and there is a caring connection for you, and door to romance is open for you. Let's see any other message. Yeah, all tied up. You are feeling restricted right now. You are unable to move in a forward direction. Maybe some of you are feeling restricted. Okay, but angel of balance is coming your way. Okay, balance is coming your way to give you a balance. Okay, balance is coming your way. Any other message? Blossoming abundance. Can you see? And you are getting more active, Aquarius. Third chakra, Archangel Chamuel is there. Third chakra is opening. Very beautiful. You're getting more intuitive. You are getting your third eye open. Third chakra open. Third chakra. Any other message? Wow. Yin and yang. What did I say to you? That you are dealing with your divine counterpart. 11 11 2 2 and 3 3 are there. So yeah, these are the messages for you, Aquarius, from this. And I'm going to read one card for this third chakra. Third chakra, Archangel Chamuel, emotions of desire, life force, energy. A powerful Archangel Chamuel is holding a beautiful spear of golden light at the solar plexus, which is location of your third chakra and the center of your life force energy. The issue here revolve around emotions of desire and your personal energy. When this card appears upright, it indicates that an increase enthusiasm is present or soon to be on its way. This is a great time to move towards the completion of your desires. Your life force is vibrating with full power, and your soul is calling you to direct your energy in a focused, purposeful manner. This angel of power is with you now, so go for it. Very powerful card for you, Aquarius. And you're getting yin and yang too. Can you see? So you are having option right now, Aquarius. You are getting option in meeting your divine counterpart. Can you see? There is a yin and yang too. So you are right now, some of you may be feeling restricted or feeling tied up, but you are getting beautiful messages towards you. Door to romance is open for you. Okay, there are two energies around you. One is the thinking man and one is the man holding a heart. So yes, there is a divine counterpart for you who is waiting for you, because there is a yin yang. So you are soon, if you have not met them yet, so soon you are going to meet them. Okay, because this is very beautiful combination, third chakra and yin and yang. So now there is an blossoming abundance. So beautiful cards for you, Aquarius. Thank you so much, Energy Oracle, for giving the beautiful messages for my Aquarius. Let's add some moonology for you. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver for my Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to give the messages for my Aquarius. Help me out to give the messages. What are the messages? You are very close to achieving your goal. You are very close to achieving your goal, Aquarius, is your first message. And the second message is expect powerful change. Expect powerful change is your second message. Let me see. A personal issue reaches resolution, full moon in Cancer. So a personal issue reaches resolution is your third message. Any other message? It's time to take action. Okay, new moon in Aries. So it's time to take action, Aquarius. A time to give rather than to take, new moon in Virgo. So let's see any other message for my beautiful Aquarius which I need to deliver to them. Let me see any other message. Yeah, this was also when I was shuffling card, I was saying this message. Step out of your comfort zone. North Node. Step out of your comfort zone is your message. Okay, any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Okay, nothing will come out of this situation. The situation you are dealing right now, nothing will come out of this situation. Okay, so don't let pride get in your way. Don't let pride get in your way is the message. It's time to release negativity. It's time to release negativity, and the answers you need are coming. Okay, so these are the messages for my Aquarius, and the signs here are Cancer, Aries, Virgo, Gemini, Scorpio, Leo. Okay, so these are the messages from the Moonology deck. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages for my Aquarius. Thank you so much. Let's see what are the messages from Moonology deck. Let me see what are the messages. Please help me out. Sorry for the noise. If you listen any noise, there are lots of kids in my home playing. So let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out to get the messages which are necessary, which are important to give my Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages. Pride is the first message. Okay, what are the messages? Individuality. Then there is rebirth. Okay, any other message? Creativity. Use your creativity, Aquarius. You are full of creative person. You are born creative, so use your creativity. Financial discipline, and there is manifestation. Yes. Any other message which I need to deliver? Love is your message. Domestic harmony and love is there. So domestic harmony is coming towards you and love is coming towards you. Follow your dream and perseverance. Follow your dream and there is perseverance. Okay, and the numbers for you is 4, 8, 4 and 8 and 6. 4, 8 and 6. 4, 8 and 6. Yes. 2 cards fall out for you. because I was thinking that something is incomplete. So yeah, now it's complete. Completion, and there is karmic completion. So there is a completion, world card completion is there, and you are completing a karmic completion. Okay, so completion and karmic completion both are there for you, Aquarius. So these are the messages for you from the numerology deck. Thank you so much, numerology deck, for giving the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Let's add some animal spirit to your reading. Let me see what are the messages. What are the messages for my Aquarius, which I need to deliver to all of you all over the world. Okay, let me see what are the messages. Please help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver. 1 minute. Let me see what are the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Vulture spirit, nothing is wasted, is your first message. Nothing is wasted. Okay, stag spirit, take the lead. Take the lead, Aquarius. You need to take the lead. And there is elephant spirit, learn from the past. Learn from the past. Okay, let me see any other message. Okay, so there is skunk spirit, know your worth. Yes, you need to know your worth, Aquarius. You deserve best, and you have to know this. Know your worth. Dolphin spirit, this and that are true. This and that are true. Dog spirit, be loyal to what you love. Be loyal to what you love. There is white raven spirit, trust in the magic. Trust in the magic. And last message is grasshopper spirit, take a leap of faith. Take a leap of faith. Let me see any other message. Any other message which I need to deliver? Any other message? Any other message? Cow spirit, the miracles are endless. The miracles are endless. Badger spirit, be fearless and bold. Okay. Snake spirit, time to heal. It's time to heal, Aquarius. And groundhog spirit, time to let go. Let go, Aquarius, a time to let go. Thank you so much, animal spirit, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely, beautiful Aquarius all over the world. Thank you so much. Let's add some messages from the fortune reading cards. Let's see what are the messages for you, Aquarius, all over the world. Let me see. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Please help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver to them. Let me see. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Again, the world and fool. World card is there from the every deck, Aquarius. Be open to new possibilities in all areas of your life. And the next message is fool. Have the courage to embrace change. Take risk and be adventurous. Okay, the fool card is there. The next message is any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver? Lovers. And while shuffling also I was getting it. So there are two paths ahead. Be true to yourself. Okay, there are two paths ahead. Be true to yourself. Flowers. Be generous. Success and emotional fulfillment are yours. is your message? Any other message? Any other message? Any other message? Any other message for my Aquarius? Other message? They're saying no. Okay, I'll stop here. Fire. Let go of emotional upheaval and embrace the renewal of the present is the message for you. There is a judgment. Soul searching will bring inner peace to many areas of your life. Okay. There is love and there is lovers. Both are there, Aquarius. Love surrounds all your connections. Move forward positively in all areas of your life. Love card is there. Lion. Harness the loyal and protective aura of the lion and charge ahead magnificently. Okay. Dragonfly. Have confidence during this time of great joy, renewal and connection to the spirit. Dragonfly. Mountain. Know that you are protected as you face challenges but remain cautious. Mountains. And the last but not the least, okay, the Star card. Hard times are over. Look forward to an abundance of happiness and positivity. Beautiful messages. Thank you. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius all over the world. Let me adjust myself 1 minute. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So let's see what are the messages from Quantum Oracle deck. I'm using it today for you. While starting your reading, I was getting some messages from this deck. So let's see what are the messages from this deck. What are the messages? And I am getting message of travel again and again while travel again and again while shuffling the cards, while doing every shuffle. So let's see what are the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? What are the messages? First message is the healing light. The healing light is your first message. You're getting your healing light and you are ascending towards your higher self. Okay, you're getting transformations to your higher self. Okay, there are some new beginnings, Aquarius. New beginnings are there for you. Great gratitude. Okay, you have to be having the attitude of great attitude, and there were some conflicts around you. Conflict card is there. Let's see any other message. Any other message? Back and forth. Any other message? Some of you are moving back and forth. Again, Two of Pentacles energy, not able to make a decision. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So there is some energy of back and forth in you. The vast universe is the message for you. The vast universe. Universe is very big, Aquarius, and they are asking you to come towards them. You have to trust the universe. Some of you are feeling stuck energy again. Eight of Swords, stuck energy, but you need to focus this rainbow. Can you see there is a rainbow behind? So you can be get out of this stuck energy. You need to get out of this stuck energy. A creative endure. A creative endure for you. Any other message? Teacher, any other message? Any other message for my Aquarius? No. Bottom of the deck, I am having a loving man. So some loving man is there for you. Can you see? There is a loving man. So yes, bottom of the deck, I am having loving man for you. And then now message or teacher is there. Maybe some of you are teachers, or there is a teacher who is teaching you something, so teacher card is there. And there is planning and action, so you, maybe some of you are planning something and you're going to take actions on it. So these are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my Aquarius. Any other message? Yeah, let's add last messages from this deck, then I will close it off. Okay, see, again travel card is there. I'm saying that I'm getting this message of travel. So yeah, there are a possibility that some of you are going to travel somewhere, or you are going to start a new chapter in your life. So let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Happiness. First message is happiness. Happiness is coming towards you, Aquarius. Any other message which I need to deliver? Empowerment. You are getting more empowered than before. Empowerment is there. Any other message? Blessings. Wow. Blessings are there. Any other message? Any other message? Prosperity and psychic abilities. You're getting your blessings, Aquarius. You're getting prosperity in life, and you are getting your psychic abilities. Some of you are getting open your third eye. Okay, so you are getting more intuitive now. You are getting your psychic abilities more and more active. You are getting your third eye active in yourself. Financial health. Financial health is there, and there is bottom of the deck, I'm having new beginning. So financial health is there and it's blossoming. Beautiful. Any other message? Healing. Healing is there for sure, and it's there in your, before also it was the message for you, and it's there too. So you are manifesting. Family is there. Bottom of the deck is there for family. So you are manifesting something. Manifestation is there. You are manifesting a family, a home, and you are getting it. Manifestation is there. Any other message? Confidence and the truth. You're getting more confidence. Wow. Reconciliation. Some of you are getting reconciliation in love. Can you see? You're getting your truth, and you're getting reconciliation and love. Wow. Again, see, travel is there. So yeah, maybe your life purpose involves travel. Life purpose, and there is a travel. So your life purpose involves travel, Aquarius. Okay, so these are the messages for you, my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. And if you please like, share and subscribe to the channel for getting more and more messages for you. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.